Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your disfavor. Secondly, you can see friends in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet bags. It's very beautiful and very trending ideas. So viewer, please don't skip this video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of most popular and most trending designs. So viewer, share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of beautiful and trending ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Must make these beautiful tote bag designs. It's very amazing and very classy, especially for college going girls. I hope you all love these beautiful color combination and these tote bags ideas. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. Now I am share with you the benefits of crochet bags. Eco-friendly crochet bags are sustainable alternative are plastic bags, reducing waste and promoting a greener lifestyle. Reusable crochet bags can be used multiple times, making them a practical choice for daily errands, shopping, and travels. Durable. With proper care, crochet bags can last for years, making them a green investment. Now I am share with you the fourth benefit of crochet bag. It's customizable. You can choose the colors, the yarn, and different designs to fit your personal style and preference. Number five, unique crochet bags are each crochet bag is handmade, making it a one of a kind accessory. Sports, handmade craftsmanship. By choosing a crochet bag, you are supporting the artist who create it. Soft and gentle on items. Crochet bags are often made with soft yarn, making them gentle on your belongings. Easy to clean crochet bags. Most crochet bags are machine washable and making maintenance a breeze. Crochet bags can in various size and making them suitable for different purpose and from small pouches to large totes. Fashionable crochet bags are a stylish accessory adding a touch to handmade charms or to any outfits. Overall, crochet bags offer a perfect blend of functionality and sustainability and styles. So viewer, I hope you all understand with the benefits of crochet bags. So this is the benefits and now I am share with you the crochet. What is the crochet? Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarns create fabric, create bags, create totes, and etc. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing. In clothing, hats, scarves, sweaters, dresses, etc. Accessories, bags, wallets, phone cases, homework, and in homework blankets, pillows, covers, and coasters. Kids toys in kids toys, stuffed animals, dolls, granny squares, fawns, and trolls. Crochet has many benefits, including relaxation and stress relief. Crochet has many benefits, including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression, and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go. Customization, choose your own yarn, choose your personal favorite colors and patterns. Cost effective, make your own items inside to buy of buying them. Some common crochet stitching includes chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, there are many online resources and tutorial available to help you get started. So I hope you all are understand what is crochet and what is the benefit of crochet items. It's very useful, very colorful, and easy to carry bags, easy to carry totes, and very stretchy and amazing collection. So don't forget to make this beautiful design for yourself, for gifting, and especially for college going girls. It's very comfortable and lightweight dress bags. So pick your favorite one and make these beautiful designs. This is very cool color combination. Sky blue and ferozy mixed color is very amazing, especially for summer. And I hope you all are understand, and I hope you all are like this video. And so we were if you all love this article, and if you want more designs, more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, it's totally your benefit. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. You can see my all the videos are very helpful for crochet lovers, for handmade articles lovers. So thank you so much once again for watching my videos, for supporting me. Please be support me like this forever. It's very beautiful kitten bag. So it's my favorite bag. If you want more type of articles related to crochet, so comment me. I will see your comment and must reply. Viewers, you are supporting me. Please be support me like this forever. I am very thankful to you. I am very happy to see this. My all the audience are very sportive, very sportive, and you are very okay. The last one bag is this. We will see you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.